Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing for you today on this item that I received. It's a portable electric water cup, mini electric kettle. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got inside of here. Okay, I've been known to tear up boxes sometimes, so I'm going to try not to do that today. So let's see what we've got here. All right, well, it looks like it's packed very nicely. And let's see if we've got some, yep, we've got some product instructions. And let's see the unit itself. Okay. All right, well, it looks like we've got the power cord slot. It's got to have a power cord, okay, to charge it with. And let's see if the power cord is inside here. Let me unscrew the top. It should be. Okay. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, yeah, it's packed pretty nicely inside too. Okay, there's the power cord. Nice steel or aluminum inside there. Okay. And here is your power cord. Let me get this out of here for you. Okay. Yep, it's a different type of power cord there. So yeah, plug it in there. Okay, and we're going to see what this thing can do. And I'll be back to let you guys know how this thing actually performs. Looks like you've got your uh, sippy little slot there, okay, on the top. And you've got a nice sturdy handle there. Okay, so I'm going to see what this, see if I can heat something up in there, guys, and I'll come back and let you know how it does. Anyway, guys, that is your review for today. Make it a great day.